welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be one of the most special videos that I've posted or filmed for my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my dream lehenga. The lehenga that I'm going to be wearing on my wedding day. At this point I've already worn it. Maybe you guys have already seen it. But this is the story behind my lehenga. So let's get started with today's video. Okay, so let me start off by talking to you guys about the lehenga that I have always pictured myself wearing. So there were two ways to go about it. The first one that I really wanted to explore was to wear a panetar. So panetar is a traditional Gujarati outfit which is white and red, and I really wanted to maybe wear my mom's panetar that she had worn on her wedding day, like get it repurposed and wear that. But the small little issue with that is that my mom's sari obviously is very old. I think 25, 26, almost 30 years actually at this point. So it's starting to tear. So there was no way of me trying to repurpose that outfit. So that was one way to go about it. The second option being from this particular designer whom I've always dreamed of wearing. Brace yourself for a mini story time about this. Let's rewind to the time that I was in college. I was about 18, 19 years old, and ever since then I knew exactly the type of lehenga that I wanted and the designer from whom I wanted to purchase this lehenga from. So I've been very clear. मुझे बिल्कुल भी stress नहीं था about my lehenga, finding the lehenga. मुझे बिल्कुल भी stress नहीं था. I was super chill. So back in December, I called this designer, their store, and I asked them, can you tell me an estimated budget for this particular lehenga? And they told me that it starts at around 4.5 lakh rupees, which was something that I had accounted for because it's a big designer. It's not the designer whom you think. It's not like a Sabyasachi or a Manish Malhotra. But of course, feel free to guess in the comments down below. But हाँ, मुझे पता था कि ये लहंगा महंगा होने वाला है. So I have been saving for this lehenga since the last 5-6 years. So when I heard 4.5, obviously I thought it was expensive, but it was something that I had anticipated. So I was like, okay, let's book an appointment. Let me come into the store and try some lehengas on, see the silhouettes, have a discussion face to face. Cut to me going to the store and filling out a little questionnaire survey thing that they wanted me to fill out, and I told them what exactly I wanted, the color that I wanted, the silhouette, all the details I described to them. And guess what? They come back to me saying that the lehenga that I want is going to cost 9 to 10 lakh rupees, which is more than double than what they had told me initially. Mind you, I was very clear the first time around that I had gone कि मुझे क्या चाहिए exactly, and still they had told me 4.5 से start होगा. तो obviously जब 4.5 से start होगा मुझे पता था कि 5 तक जा सकता है, maximum 6 तक जा सकता है. But 10 lakhs was definitely out of my budget. I just cannot justify that price in my head for a lehenga. So that entire thing happened in December, and I was left with no choice but to go around and try on lehengas, go to designers, explore the different options available. Of course, I was heartbroken, but 10 lakhs was definitely not something that I was willing to pay at all. So that was my little story time, a little backstory of how this entire process began. I had actually even documented the whole process of me talking to you guys about this lehenga and talking to Adu and like jotting down the little details that we wanted to add to the lehenga, going to the store. But obviously I can't share all of that with you guys now at this point. So now roll the clips of me exploring my possibilities out there. Okay, so we are off. I'm here with Adu and Mom. So basically अभी हम जा रहे हैं Purnia's pop-up just to see everything that they have, going there with an open mind. We don't really have anything in mind. That's exactly what it means to go with an open mind. But basically हमने सब कुछ लिख दिया है, colors for all the functions, so we are clear on that. So I feel like it will make our work easier. Like we know exactly कौन से function के लिए हमें कौन सा color चाहिए, so we can kind of quickly narrow it down. I'm hoping to at least find one outfit if not all. It's just me being over ambitious right now. And what do you think?
I think we are pretty much there with at least 2 outfits. I
Yeah.
mean, we at least liked something. ऐसा नहीं था कि it was a waste of time.
Yeah. Maybe we found the 2 outfits also.
Maybe.
Including the main shadi
But
outfit.
also, it's too soon to tell. And Maddie is usually somebody who gets super excited, and then she'll be like, "Nahi," and then we'll go to another store and she'll be like, "No, I can feel this one, not that one."
But that is not true. I'm the opposite of that.
You would have bought this one, right?
Yeah, I would have.
But if you go to another store, you might forget this one, and you know.
But I really like this one.
Yeah,
And
we
mom
all
also.
really
तने
like
पण कमी होना है.
It is very pretty.
The embroidery and the detailing is super.
Hello, it's another day. Today we are going to Anita Dongre because my mom insisted that we must see more options, and she's the one who said कि चलो Anita Dongre चलते हैं. So that's what we're doing. We have my mom, we have Kashish also, and of course we have Adu who's leading the way. देखते हैं क्या होता है. मैंने एक्चुअली कल वेबसाइट पे देखा काफ़ी कुछ I did like and fits the budget also, so let's go try it out. Hi, so we just got done with Anita Dongre, had lots of lunch, पेट भर गया है. So now we're ready for another store. So we're probably going to Azza again. Last time around we did go to Azza, but हमें कुछ भी नहीं मिला वहाँ पे. But we're hoping since it's been a couple of weeks, maybe the collection has changed, maybe there's something new to explore. So we're gonna do that. I'm really hoping to close this today, even though my mom and Adu, and what about you, Kashish? You also are not okay with that? Yeah, no one's okay with me closing it today. But my only point is that we don't have a lot of time. And I've been told कि अगर ये सब हाथ का काम है, उससे time लगने वाला है. So, let's see. So basically the first time around that I had visited Ponya's pop-up, I had found the outfit in my heart at least, and I honestly was ready to buy it the first time around itself. But everyone, including Adu, Kashish, my mom, were of the opinion that I should explore more options. And of course I did listen to them, and I went to a few other places. So nothing really came out of me going to these different designers, which is okay. I'm glad that I explored like everything that was out there. I did do extensive research online. Like I was stalking websites left, right and center. Trials मैंने उतने नहीं किए, to be fair, जितने लोग usually करते हैं. But I feel like I'm very clear in my head कि मुझे क्या चाहिए और क्या नहीं चाहिए. And lo behold, the first time ever that I went to Ponya's pop-up, मैंने एक outfit try किया था, which is the outfit that I landed up buying. I think it's time for the reveal for you guys to see what the outfit looks like. This was the trial that I took right before purchasing the outfit.
And what do you say? And he's getting emotional.
My baby is ready.
We are back home. Mission accomplished. At least एक लहंगा जो main day का लहंगा है has been acquired. Papa is looking at Ponya's pop-ups magazine, and I've not told anyone. I mean, I haven't told him कि लहंगा क्या है. So he's trying to guess looking at the magazine. What do you think the color is going to be, Papa?
पर्पल
Purple क्यों?
वायलेट ना
नहीं, मैं क्यों violet कलर का लहंगा पहनूंगी?
wedding day.
वाइट होएगा
अच्छा.
99.99%.
We'll see on the day.
0.1.
You will see now directly on that day only, by the way. No reaction.
मैं थोड़ी ना दूल्हा हूँ मेरे को दिखा सकती है
No, I want the reaction. This one you liked?
यस
Does it look like bridal mehna?
ऑफ कोर्स
नहीं।
क्यों
Mehna? Bridal mehna?
क्यों नहीं अच्छा है वो कलर
Neon green पहनूं मैं?
Color नहीं.
नियॉन ग्रीन अच्छा लग रहा है
ये मामा ये हो सकता है.
नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं
पापा,
होगा। वो मेरे को मालूम
वाला
है
है
क्या
ना?
होगा
नहीं. This is not
आई
proper.
थिंक ये अच्छा है
कौन सा? ये वाला. This
We
is
saw
Papa's
something
guess.
like this,
गैस
at,
नहीं है लेकिन
Ahika
ऐसा
Dobre
अच्छा
में.
होएगा एस्थेटिक है फिर ये बहुत कॉमन हो गया ये बहुत
शब्द हमें
common हो
मृदुल
गया।
ने सिखाया है.
Okay, so that is my outfit that I have gone ahead with. It is like a beige ivory sort of a piece, and that is the color tone that I was going for. I was totally open to trying out reds, which I did. Pink was definitely something that I did not want to wear at all. Not only because I feel like it's become like a very common color, वो तो एकदम secondary है, but I personally don't love the way pinks look on my skin tone, so I just wanted to skip out on pinks altogether, pastel pinks especially. I really wanted to do like a nude, beige, off-white moment. I personally love those color tones on my skin tone, and the lehenga that I've picked has that as the base color, and it has white embroidery all over it. By the way, this lehenga is by the designer Kali Gata. One little thing that I've done differently is that the blouse of the lehenga that it came with originally was like a V-neck small little blouse, which is very pretty, no doubt, but I wanted to have like a more conservative blouse per se. Like I wanted like my sleeves to be covered and have like a square neckline. So there was this one outfit that I had tried in the store, and I loved the blouse of that particular lehenga, so I asked them to kind of make a blouse for me, custom make a blouse for me in that design. A few other things that I have done on my own in terms of like customization or to add more value to my outfit is to make 2 more dupattas. So the outfit on its own obviously comes with 1 dupatta, which is so stunning, but I decided to go ahead and make 2 more dupattas. So actually Ami was the one who recommended me to do this. So she told me कि एक दुपट्टा आपके body पे आता है. Depends on how you want to drape it, but one usually is on your body. Then there's one on your bun. And then there's one that you could do as a veil, because I really wanted to do a veil for my first, like my entry and also my first reveal with Aditya. I wanted to have that beautiful long veil. So I went to Mangaldas market and I picked up a net ka fabric, which I got it dyed according to the color of my dupatta. I found this beautiful net organza material which has pearls all over it. I am obsessed with it. That is going to be my veil. And then एक और मैंने कपड़ा लिया है जिसके साथ मैंने लेस खरीद लिया है. So that is going to stay on my head. Moving on to jewelry. Now jewelry obviously is a huge part of like the bridal look, and I will be honest, I have spent so many days trying to search for jewelry. I've gone to Kolaba, I've gone to Thane, I've gone to Kandivali. Literally मैंने हर जगह ढूंढ लिया और कुछ भी नहीं बैठ रहा था. Thankfully, Anam came into the picture. I told her about this dilemma that I was having, and she told me that why don't you come with me to Azutique. So Azutique is a shop that is owned by one of her childhood friends, and she said that they have the most amazing bridal collection, and I was like, of course, at this point I am ready to try anything, because the number of days were running out and I was starting to get really stressed. And guess what? I did find my bridal jewelry from them. I have to add that in case you're looking for jewelry, whether it's bridal jewelry or it's regular wear jewelry or it's any kind of jewelry, to be honest, they have the most amazing collection. Truly, it's so different and so unique. Definitely, if you're in Bandra, just go there and check it out for yourself. It's time for jewelry shopping. Let's go. If you're watching this, Anam, I love you so much because I have to say that she has been checking up on me regularly. Like throughout this entire process of me getting married, she has been so consistent with checking up on me and asking if there's any way that she can help out. And the fact that she came to the store with me, stayed there for hours trying to find the piece for me, truly means so much to me. Okay, moving on to the shoes. So I know wearing sneakers is like a really cool and also practical thing to do, which I totally agree with, but I didn't really want to do sneakers, to be honest. No particular reason why. I don't just मुझे नहीं करने थे sneakers, but what I really wanted to do was to wear comfy furry slippers underneath my lehenga. So this is actually something that I had done for Adu's wedding. With every lehenga that I wore मेरे घर के comfy furry slippers, and truly it feels so nice, and that is exactly what I did. So Adya has a friend, a childhood friend, who is a shoe designer. By the way, she's the one who's designed all of Aditya's shoes and a lot of my shoes for the events as well. So she's the one who designed my wedding shoes, which were essentially ghar ke furry slippers, but obviously we got them matched. She's dyed the fur to match my outfit exactly, and it's custom made. Like she's measured my feet and it's made to be the most comfortable pair of shoes ever. Definitely consider this idea if someone in your family is getting married and if you're wearing a lehenga. Anyway, lehenge के अंदर क्या पहना है वो नहीं दिखता है, क्या shoes पहने किसी को नहीं पता चलता है, so might as well be comfortable. That we have come towards the end of today's video. I hope you guys are following me on my Instagram because there's a lot of content that's going live on my Instagram. Similarly, I hope you guys are following me on Mridul and Aditya because mainly जो सारा wedding related content है, like all the vlogs are going to be going live on that channel. I'll leave links of everything that I've spoken about today in the description box below. Definitely go check it out. I hope you guys are enjoying the wedding series, and yeah, thank you for being a part of this journey. I started doing YouTube when I was in college, and now I am still doing it and I'm talking to you guys about me getting married. So it feels surreal. So thank you so much for all the love, all the support, and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.